Hello and welcome everybody, this is Battle Pro Gamers coming at you with the quick fix for G&G's issue with the hop up and the booking nub. Inside there sticking out a little bit too much. So from stock they obviously turn these things out in the thousands, and if you guys have not already seen the YouTube video from Wasted Space, both of them done a review on this particular G&G, the CM16 Raider, and both of them out the box done some tests. One was brilliant, the other guy basically suffered from a lot of issues that you mainly get obviously if you've just brought it out the box. It doesn't always happen, as it proved, but yeah, hopefully this will basically help you out. So let's get started to it. Up here you have your first little locking screw, and I suggest using something flat, because if you use something sharp like a screwdriver, when you apply pressure you may scratch down your gun, and it's probably one of the last things you want to do. So you get something nice and flat, put it on, push down, and it pops the pin nicely. You can pull it on the other side once it's popped. There you go, and you'll feel it all properly slid out. Then you slide this over and that back. Don't worry about this, it's pretty much a cosmetic thing, so just literally pull your gun. You'll have to give me 1 second because I need two hands. Okay, when you've slidden them apart, it'll now look like this. So there's your hop up. You can just use your thumb, gently pull it out. If I can, sorry, there we go. It did just click a little bit. Right, now I don't really want to touch mine because mine's actually been done already, and we will do a firing test on it. So the little green clip, you pop it out, use your finger, and then you slowly hold this end and move left like that till your booking nub comes out. You want to slowly left and right pull it out. There's a little brass seal, as you can tell. It's nice and flush. Once you're putting that green little catch back, that will click into place. All you want to do is push your booking nub more down this steel pipe. That's it, just so it's nice and snugging on there. Push it all back in, that's it. Then so you push this then back into the front end of your barrel, nice and across, that's it. If you have issues once you're putting it back together of getting this lined up properly on there for where your mags are, take an empty mag and already push it in till you hear that click. This should not be stuck out at all. That'll give you a nice alignment for your hop up to sit in. So you could always do that first and then push it back. Give me 1 second. Now basically slid your casing back on. You've made sure a mag can definitely leave a nice gap, and you pushed your pin retainer back in. You should then of course check that you can release your mag and pop it in nice and snug. You should not be able to pull that back out. When you look down, your nub should just barely be visible. So as you can tell, that was my one that I used to basically fit the hop up in place. I have around 40 in this one and about 30 in them meg caps. I have around 30-40 in the stock one, and we're now going to do a fire rate test. Okay, so a low neck mag, mid cap, these I've already got decent reviews even on the flash high caps. So full auto. Second Lomax mag, just to make sure the first, that one was always empty, isn't a basically fluke. That one's working better than the other. So we have lit that thing up. It is absolutely decimated. Need to be a few running around. And we penetrated the back. It's around that thick. So it has got a distance. And yet pulverised. All the bits of shredded stuff I'm going to have to clean up. Thank you very much for watching, people. Please like and subscribe, and then you'll be able to watch the next video on my loadout. After that I'll be doing another video on the Angio airsoft field of my gameplay and action. Thank you and goodbye.